Hi, in this video I will walk you through how you can set up your company profile once you have registered and you want to start using LeafTally. Thank you so much for joining me this day. So once you have registered yourself and you now have access to LeafTally, there are two ways you can find your company profile. You would obviously have the website tour that would indicate what you need to do, but we are starting from the dashboard. If you click on Settings, that will take you to your company profile. If you click on your profile name bottom left, that also has the option to take you to your company profile. So we'll choose this settings to go into your settings page. As you can see, you have quite a number of sections you need to complete in the settings in order to use the system effectively. But the focus in the first instance is your company profile. Within the company profile, very straightforward, upload your logo, your company name, your base currency, the industry at which you work in, your phone number, the address of your company, the registration details, the bank details of the company as well, and additional information. This profile setup is extremely important because that sets the tone for how you want to use the system. We would go through. You can also look at documents, get yourself acquainted with what is within the documents section, accounting section, pick list, templates, currencies, notifications, and security. I will walk through them quickly, but what I would say is, once you set up your company profile, you can get yourself acquainted with the whole system. Look through the system, click on the different sections, product and services, clients, invoices, suppliers, employees, payroll, materials, all of this you can go through. And once you get acquainted with them, you can come back to the settings to set up your chart of accounts. This is where you set up your chart of accounts, map them correctly. You can either import, manually enter them, or generate the default chart of accounts from the system. Documents IDs, you can define your prefixes for all the documents you like to generate. Once you've gotten yourself acquainted with the system, you will discover that we have a few drop-downs that pull information from the pick list section. So, supplier types, product categories, employee allowances, and you can also add more pick lists where necessary. Templates, very straightforward. We have 4 templates: invoice, bill of material, payslip, expense template. Select either classic, default, modern, or minimal. Choose your color, and your templates are ready to go. By default, we have the base currency from the company profile, but you can also make some selections from here. Notifications are straightforward, and all you need to do is to enable or disable a notification. Security, this is where you activate your two-factor authentication. It's important and critical that you do this to keep your portal more secure than just having a password. And once you're done with this, again, you can look through the system before you start using it. And that's it for the setup of a company profile. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you, and look out for our next videos on how to use the system.